In fact, in whole Assam, Renaissance Yatra is undergoing, and I'm visiting all the districts in the Assam, and I'm making the people aware that the whole politics and political system is hijacked by 2% rich people of all communities. So when Ambedkar was alive and he struggled about the reservation to those people, especially SC and ST, who were not in position to win the elections. So they got reservation. Similarly, today, in contemporary period, the 97, even more than 97% population is having no representation either in assembly or in parliament. So in this situation, the 97% population is unrepresented. If 97% population is expelled from the state machinery and representation system, it means the whole democracy is confined within 3%. So it is a very serious issue. We are demanding and we making the people aware that they should come forward to struggle for reservation. 25% reservation on MP and MLA seats for the BPL community, and rest 72% reservation should be for the APL community who use the bike, and only 3% reservation of MP MLA seats, it should go for the income tax community. So this type of economic classes should be represented, and there is no chance of reforms which are making by election commission, because of the election commission is not in position to make any restriction on expenditure on parties. The election commission is putting all the restrictions on the expenditure only on candidates. So the democracy is totally hijacked, and you can say that democracy is dead, and even the state is dead. That is why, to save our public, to save our culture, to save our language, to save the poor people, the new reforms in the politics, in the constitution, in the electoral system, also in the international level, in the United Nations, has become indispensable.
Upcoming MLA election for 2026, what is your plan?
In the upcoming Assam State Assembly elections, in all area of Lower Assam, from Jonai to Kokrajhar, all seats BPI people, BPI candidates will contest, and in this time, in 26, I think the people is fed up from other political parties, and especially two parties who represent, they claim to represent the Bodo people. They are fighting each other and they are running their shops. And I many times reiterated that if you both parties are Bodos, if you will get united, then I will myself support you. If you will run your shops, then definitely I cannot support any business. So the Bodo parties should not use their parties as a business institution or companies. They should think seriously on the misery of the Bodo people and of the Bodo land areas.
Also, one question is there. In your Big Five meeting, there is no only we have seen parents. So why?
I see. Oh, in fact, we issue this certificate to all our workers who work for the mission. In fact, it is the primary duty of all the organizations, including all the political parties, at least if workers are working for the party, at least certificate should be issued, and their work, their dedication should be recognized by the institution or party. What we are doing. Although it is a new idea, new device, so the people think what is this, and they are having a lot of questions regarding the RDR. So that is just a effort, a new tool we have evolved to recognize the dedication and works and donation given by our political activists and political cadre.
Thank you, sir.